Everlit Emergency Survival Kit 40 in 1 Molle Pouch and 25 in 1 Toolbox, Tactical Outdoor Gears, First Aid Supply, Survival Bracelet, Emergency Blanket, Tactical Pen, for camping, hiking, hunting. Product features: an amazing high-quality survival emergency first aid all-in-one kit. The kit was uniquely customized by members of U.S. military, and it is perfect for hiking, camping, any outdoor activities and emergencies. Compact size, water-resistant case. Black carry tool case, 25 in 1 kit, 1x. Water-resistant carry case, 7x 4.5x2, 1x Paracord Bracelet, 1x Tactical Knife, 1x Multi-Function Wallet Saber Card, 1x 3-mode flashlight. Flashlight has high/low/strobe light modes and can adjust the focal length. 1 AA battery not included. 1x Multi-Function Pliers, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, knife, saw, cross and slot screwdrivers, bottle opener and a storage bag. 1x Tactical Pen can be used as a safety glass hammer. 1x Luminous Compass, 1x 2-tune high-pitch whistle, 120 dB noise level which can easily draw people's attention. 1x Flint and Scraper, 1x Thermal Blanket First Aid Kit, 4x Medium Size Bandage, 1x Butterfly Bandage, 1x Knuckle Bandage, 2x First Aid Prep Pad, 1x Adhesive Wound Dressing, 5x Cotton Tip Tactical Molle Pouch, 40 in 1 kit, including every tool in the 25 in 1 kit plus 1x Tactical Molle Pouch/phone holster, 7x 4.5x2, First Aid Kit, 5x Medium Size Bandage, 3x Butterfly Bandage, 3x Knuckle Bandage, 5x First Aid Prep Pad, 2x Adhesive Wound Dressing, 3x Wound Pad, 5x Cotton Tip, 2x First Aid Tape. Everlit Emergency Survival Kit 40 in 1 Molle Pouch and 25 in 1 Toolbox, Tactical Outdoor Gears, First Aid Supply, Survival Bracelet, Emergency Blanket, Tactical Pen, for camping, hiking, hunting. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.